This is our 2014 Hunter 33, an award-winning sailing yacht with Hunter's signature design elements such as the sleek window line and deck with a modern profile. This sailboat features the 2-cabin and 1-head layout. The stern of the boat features a walk-through transom with a fold-down swim platform. The steering console features a Lumar folding wheel, lighted compass, space for instruments, and a stainless steel wheel guard. The cockpit table has folding leaves and the 2 lockers have plenty of storage space. The 2 teak stern rail seats are the perfect place to sit, especially with the convenient drink holders. There is also a transom hot and cold shower. The cockpit is roomy and comfortable and is longer than the previous design, and this extra room allows for a larger aft cabin with more headroom. The foredeck is easy and safe to move toward, with stainless steel deck handrails, lifelines with stainless steel stanchions, and non-skid decking. The bow features an electric windlass and a single anchor roller, plus an anchor well with space for rode and chain. The deck hatches are flush mount and the halyards are internally led to the cockpit, making the deck very clean. Features include a jib furling system and a Selden in-mast roller furling mainsail. Let's move below into the bright salon featuring a ton of gloss finished cherry woodwork. An interesting design element is that the wood used for the bulkheads and cabinet doors has been rotated so that the grain runs horizontally, giving the impression of a larger space. The spacious Dinette Support features a unique Hunter easy lift system that allows the dinette table to lower and form the base of a double sleeper sofa. Opposite the dinette is a convenient chart table that easily flips down to create a comfortable settee. The U-shaped galley is near the companionway and features expansive Corian countertops and stainless steel fiddles that not only keep items from falling while underway, but also serves as excellent handholds. Other features include a stainless steel sink with pressurized hot and cold water, 2-burner LPG stove and oven, fridge and separate freezer, microwave, and plenty of storage. Just across from the galley is the head and shower that's perfect for use as a day head and is near the master stateroom. As mentioned before, since they extended the cockpit, it allows for a larger aft cabin with more headroom than before. The aft cabin features a double berth, plenty of natural light, and a hanging locker and storage shelf. The private forward cabin features a wide V-berth, 2 hanging lockers, as well as under-berth storage. The engine is a 29 horsepower diesel that is tucked away under a lift-assisted cover that stays raised up for easy engine access. This Hunter 33 is an extremely well-maintained, award-winning sailboat with lots of extras aboard and is a great couples boat. The full specs and asking price are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more boat tours. For more listings, visit our website.